Hello, all my fellow insurance agents out there. Thank you so much for coming to the website and learning a little bit more about Insurance Agent 101. You probably ran into this on maybe LinkedIn, or maybe you saw me on Instagram and were thinking, what is all this Insurance Agent 101 about? So, again, thank you so much for taking the time to learn a little bit more about it. So, my name is Amy Galliano. I have had my own insurance agency since 2016. Before that, I was a preferred agent with an insurance carrier. And before that, I was a corporate and technical recruiter. So, a lot of what you're learning in Insurance Agent 101 is a real marriage of all of that experiences and skills and all the processes that have led me to success in my own career that I would like to share with you. So, in my line of work, I have to network quite a bit with lots of different professionals, and many of those are new or somewhat struggling insurance agents. And my belief is the reason for that is that in our industry, we do a great job of training new agents on products. So if you're selling IUL, or maybe you're doing health and life insurance, or maybe you're even doing property and casualty insurance and workers' comp, we train you very well on those products. And that is extremely important. But what we do not do is we don't train very well on how to handle your book of business. So even though you might be selling insurance with a specific carrier, that client is still yours. And that is the way that you're going to get paid. That is the way that you make potential referrals down the road. So Insurance Agent 101 is really an opportunity for you to learn what you need to be doing on a daily, on a weekly, on a monthly basis to get you to lasting success. And many insurance agencies don't teach these things because this industry tends to be so much of a revolving door. So if you are an independent agent working for yourself, maybe you're working from home like I did when I started my career, this is a really good fit for you. And what the way that it would work is that you have 5 different modules that you'll be going through, and after each module you have homework. And the purpose behind that is so that you're going to implement that particular module into your daily work schedule. A lot of times you want to rush into these things because you're eager, and that's always a good thing. It's always great to be motivated, but sometimes you need a little bit of time to really reflect on what you learned and really to put it into practice, especially if it maybe needs to be tweaked down the road. Maybe there's just some really little small modifications that you're needing to do that really get you to make that skill be more effective. And that's sort of the purpose of all of these things, so that once we get to the end of Insurance Agent 101, you really understand what it takes to be in this business to get you to profitability, which is what we all want, obviously, but also to be doing this 5, 10, 20 years down the road like I have. So I really encourage you to schedule a call with me. The initial consultation is completely complimentary to you. Insurance Agent 101 is not going to be a fit for everyone. So I certainly don't want to waste your time or your money on something that isn't going to be beneficial to you. But if you're interested and you want to learn more about it, like I said, that initial consultation is complimentary, and I'm really looking forward to learning more about you and your business and where you really want to see your career go down the road. And hopefully Insurance Agent 101 is a big part of that process for you. So again, I really encourage you to schedule that consultation. If you've run across this for someone else, maybe you have a child or even a grandchild that has begun to sell insurance and they might be struggling themselves, certainly send them my way. I'll be happy to discuss this with them as well. So thank you very much for joining in. I hope you found this helpful. And as always, feel free to reach out with any additional questions. Take care, guys. Looking forward to hearing from you.